Hello, wonderful person. I wanted to make a big announcement. This is something that I've been working up to for a while, and I feel like now is the right time. So, as of today, I have three other YouTube channels with other content that I'm now starting to post. I'm still going to post on this channel regularly because I love to make art and try new hobbies, but I wanted to branch out with my other interests. My second channel is where I'm going to be posting videos about my writings and other stories that others have written that I also enjoy. There are already a few original stories that I have posted there. My third channel is going to be where all of my future gaming content will go. I'll keep posting the Blightfall series for now on this channel, but I've already started a new survival series on my gaming channel if you want to check that out. My fourth channel is going to be a fact/educational channel about knowledge that I find interesting. By the time this video goes live, my first video will be up there. I have a wide range of interests and I just couldn't post them all here. I have all the channels listed out below, so please go check them out. My eventual goal is to make YouTube my full-time career because I enjoy this so much. This really is my dream and I want it to become real. I really appreciate all your support. It really does mean the world to me, and we're almost at 500 subscribers, and I wanted to do something special when I hit that milestone. Thank you all again for helping me get this far. I really do appreciate it. Oh, and one last thing, my wife also has a cooking channel that I will list out below as well if you would like to check that out. Thanks again for watching. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day.